Good morning. How are you? I hope everyone's doing well. I'm going to show you how you can use groups to connect with your perfect avatar or find the prospects that may be interested in what you have to offer. And you will want to find 3 to 5 groups that you're interested in. For example, if you like off-road riding, you'd look for an off-road riding group. Or if you like do-it-yourself crafts, look for a do-it-yourself craft group. Or if you like healthy eating, look for a healthy eating group. If you love remodeling your home, decorating, look for that type of group. You could even look for groups that have jewelry in them, depending on what your industry is. If you want to help find groups of people that are interested in learning more about essential oils, healthy living, whatever and you have to think about your avatar. Your avatar is really you. What are your interests? Because whatever you're interested in, the universe is going to attract people to you because you have that same interest. And then once they connect with you as a friend and they see what you're talking about and that maybe they have a problem that you can help them solve, they're going to connect with you. So I'm just going to show you this group here. And unfortunately, Facebook no longer shows us in this screen how many members are in that group. But you want to make sure that you're trying to join large groups. And then over here on the filter side, we can actually choose public groups so that it will show us only groups that would be open to anybody to join. So you're not probably going to have a whole lot of restrictions on a public group. And so here at the top is probably, here they're showing you 2.4 posts a day for makeup artists. We can go to that group. And the other thing that you might want to look for if you're trying to build a local audience is look for groups. Let's say that your city is Houston, Texas, okay? And here's a Houston, Texas buy and sell group. That might be a good place for you to, a good group for you to join. Maybe you have a local, I'll show you one of the groups that I'm in here locally. I'm in the Real Highway 20 group, and every once in a while I may get in there and try to find people local to me. There's a Dogs on Highway 20 group. There's, you want to try to join 1 or 2 local groups so that you can find people local to you. Here's the Highway 20 yard sale group. And when I had some mattresses I wanted to give away, and I posted in here, and I was able to have people come and help me get my room cleaned out so that I could get my office set up. You might have people here that, like here, this is in a construction worker. If you sell dog products, like I do, I sell cat and dog products. And this person is, has a puppy for sale. So they probably have a dog that they've had puppies with, and they may want, you may want to connect with them. And I don't think I can get this thing out of the way. Let me see if I can move it. Okay. So here I would then go over here, and if this person's profile is open, I would like and comment on some of those posts. Benji's Road to Recover, organized by Austin Bell. So this, evidently this dog had some health issues, and there's not a whole lot of recent activity, and this profile's not open. So, but just give you an idea of, that's how you would work a group, okay? So I'm gonna push this back up. Maybe I'll put it down here. I don't know, it seems like this thing is like not in a good place no matter what I do. Okay, so here you have this group here, and it looks like it's a public group. So in public groups, you can actually scroll through and see some of the content Now, this might be a group that I would be interested in joining if I'm trying to help direct sales reps learn how to use their Facebook profile to draw people to them, to get people that they can talk to about what they do and warm up their market so that they can get new customers. This may be a good group for you if you sell jewelry or whatever, that you may be able to, again, you would go to their profile and you would connect with them on a personal basis. Now see, I'm able to do that in this public group without being a member. I can actually go to that person's personal profile, which, as you see, the banner, she doesn't have a personal profile photo. The banner is very spammy. She's saying that she's an enthusiast in foodie cooking stuff, likewise makeup things as well. She started in 2014. She's got almost 4,000 people following her, but her profile, she does not have it set as public. So she's not open to connecting with new people. But as you can see, her profile is, I mean, what do you think? What's your opinion if you were a visitor here? Oh, it's trying to sell me stuff. I'm out of here. She's in Indonesia, so she's out of the country. Okay, so that kind of gives you an idea. So we could go down here to this one here. She's evidently selling new nail stuff. She's in Vietnam. And I could go to this one here, a former programmer. She's in Boston. I could open it up and I could go to her profile and see if I can connect with her on a one-on-one basis. Her profile is a photo of her and a nice banner. She's saying over here, stay original at the World Copy You. She's a programmer at this, and she studied at the University of Massachusetts. She lives in Boston. She's got a video on YouTube, so she's using YouTube. It's, you know, she's probably quite young or something from the looks of things here. I could like and comment on some of her things, but I don't think that this is someone who would resonate with what I teach. But just to give you an idea of the process, that's how you do it. That's how you work the group. And then copy the URL and put it into your spreadsheet. Hello, I'm not a makeup artist, but need your help. Do I have hooded eyes? My twin sister says yes, but I think I might be in denial. So those of you who are in the makeup industry might be able to help this girl. She might be a good contact for you to connect with. You could even comment on that post, your opinion about her question in that group. Okay, just have an average blonde, bald, whatever. Okay, I love that haircut. I wish I had enough hair for that haircut. I can like it. I can't comment. And down here, again, I can't interact here. I like it. Bad life. I can like it. So even though I can't comment, I can still connect in here. Feeling myself today. I love that. Okay, so I've done 3 on her profile, and then I'll leave. And she may show up somewhere asking to be my friend, checking out my profile. Makeup of the day. It was my mom's birthday today. I used her favorite color, red. I could like and comment, but see, I'm not a member, so I don't know if it'll let me on this group, even though it's a public group, because I'm not a member. But I can go to her personal profile. And if you find that this works for you, you may want to go back and join that group. It may be a good place for you to find people that may resonate with what you do on your personal profile. And this is a business page. So she's posting in that group as her business page, okay? And I might be able to help her with her business page. She's not getting any engagement. So hopefully that gives you an idea. You want to go and search for groups that resonate with your industry or maybe you like gardening. So here's gardening groups. And then go over here to the groups. And you might want to change it over here. I only want to look at public groups. Public groups tend to be larger. And this group here, let's see, it's members. How many members does it have? 2,200, oh, that's not the right spot. Let's see, 266,000 members. So this might be a good group to join. And you would at that point even be able to interact with, you know, oh man, I love this. I should do that with my, when I remodel my kitchen, I've been thinking about doing that, you know, or something like that. I could probably, oh, absolutely love, love, love this garden. Okay. But see, I'm not a member, so I can't interact with those posts, but I can interact with the person that created this post. I can go over here and I can see she doesn't have personal profile. She's got a nice banner, and I can't I can connect with this post because this is something somebody else shared, and they're in Minneapolis and I'm from Austin, Minnesota. And oh, look at those dogwoods. Those are gorgeous. So hopefully you get the idea. If you have any questions, please, please, please post your questions in the group. Let me know what your concerns are, and we will connect. And if we have to get on a personal one-on-one coaching call, we can do that as well. But hopefully this will help you to understand how you drive traffic to your profile by not friend requesting people. This will push people to you. Okay, let's see, I don't remember, this is the second video I've done today. So as you can see, I've got people wanting to be my friend again. I've got tons of people in here that just in the last couple of days have reached out to me, and I will go and check them out before I will even think about accepting their friend request. Because if they're just a spammer or someone who's chasing me because I'm a woman, you know what I mean? This guy here he plays games. He's got children on his banner. For me, personally, if their profile is set to public where you can actually like and comment, that's a red flag. And second of all, it's got two people in here. It says he's self-employed, lives in Arizona, Avondale. But if he's self-employed, he's you know, there's not a whole lot of content here. Plus, the last post was done in April. So I'm going to hit these three little dots. I'm going to block this guy, and I'm going to say, nope, not interested. Okay, so hopefully that helps you guys. And again, please, please, please put your questions in the group. And let's connect. Love you. Mwah, mwah. Bye.